B Auto Sales. We're out driving our 78 GMC K1500. Nice driving truck. I put probably about 40-50 miles on it. Runs out good. We're going about 65. Speedometer's a little fast, so I think that's right around about 5 miles an hour fast, I believe. So gas gauge works for the most part. It does. You get about 1/8 of the tank you run out of gas, because I did, so I know that. They added some aftermarket gauges. Like I said, goes on the road nice. Brakes work good, shifts good, so mechanically a pretty decent truck. Said none of the gauges over here work. They've got a temp and an oil gauge. Radio works. Blinkers work. Reverse brakes. So decent truck, be a great project truck, pretty solid for the most part. So and mechanically pretty strong. So any questions, give me a call, 605-695